Yo campers, it's Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Looking for a motorhome? Class A, but don't want to be over 30 foot? Inside today, we're going to cover the Winnebago Vista 29V. I'm sure it's going to be on your list. Let's get into it. All right, so in this floor plan, first off, it brags a full wall slide. And one of those items that's on this slide is our kitchen. It's a really awesome size kitchen for, again, a 30-foot floor plan. We're gonna start in the back and move forward. They've got a really nice pantry. It's even cute little stowaway boxes that you can maybe perhaps load up in the house and bring in with you. Of course, we're gonna have our 12-volt refrigerator freezer. Make sure that you have all those awesome perishable food items to go with you, because I know if you guys are like me, I love going camping just to eat. We're going to be able to cook all our meals and such. We're going to have our overhead traditional microwave. Of course, your 3-burner stove top just to get some of that pasta and things that are boiling. Nice little cute oven. Maybe get some cookies in there if you want. And the storage is phenomenal throughout this whole coach. Again, only 30 foot. Winnebago's done a great job making sure that we've got tons of space to stow everything. We're gonna have a nice set of uppers here with a really deep to stow a lot of items. Ton of counter space. I mean, look at that. We can tuck away our coffee pot, maybe our air fryer, some other items. That way we can really concentrate on having this area free. It is a double sink here, so we can have, you guys know, you have the restaurant tours, maybe one wash station and one rinse station. And then tons of storage underneath. We've got a lot of drawers, including a nice pot and pan drawer that we'll be able to get some of those big items in. And underneath this kitchen sink is going to be a tall space for that kitchen trash can, if you like. And Winnebago has it right with this small footprint of a motorhome, tons of seating, and it starts with coming right inside the left side of the door is your dinette. This is a huge dinette for, again, a small footprint motorhome. We can comfortably seat 4 people. We've got cup holders here in case you need to hold my beer. And if we want to, we can even set this into a sleeper in case you have some extra unwanted guests. Let's get into setting this up into a bed. Night-night. And voila. All right, so all of you entertainment junkies, the viewing angle for this TV is phenomenal. We've got a big TV that really casts over the whole floor plan in case whether you're in the kitchen, you're sitting at the dinette, or you'll see in a minute across from the way, the sofa, really be able to enjoy those TV programs. And again, I'm super impressed with the seating capacity in this thing. We've got tons of seat belts that we can not only sit at the dinette, but here. But again, a 3-person sofa that is straight across from the TV that I could really enjoy the straight view of the TV. I've got a nice counter space in the back in case I've got to throw some of my mobile devices. And again, a couple more cup holders to hold my beer. And again, if you've got some extra campers that are coming along with you, we can stow, or I shouldn't say stow, we can sleep them here if we need to. It's like a futon style. Let's get into it. All right, in case you got any of those big kid stowaways with you, again, the beauty of this floor plan is how much it can seat, how much it can sleep. The overhead bed above the driver and cab seat is a quick push of a button, lower it down, make up your bed, and then you've got an extra set of sleeper space here. I'm 6'1", I got plenty of space. I'm gonna have a great night's sleep. We'll see you. All right, and so many times have I seen small floor plan, small bathroom. Not the case, again, in this awesome floor plan. We've got a huge bathroom. Let's go. So we've got tons of storage, overhead medicine cabinet times 2. We've got tons of counter space for all my toiletries. Nice place down below for some storage, for maybe a trash can, some extra toiletries. Of course, plenty of leg room for that toilet. And last but not least, a big shower, plenty arm room, plenty of head height. All right, and in the bedroom of this floor plan is continuing just awesomeness. We have a big bed, lots of storage. Again, on this slide out continues with lots of wardrobe space, a TV, some counter space, plenty of drawers underneath to fold up all those clothing. We've got storage underneath the bed. Of course, you can see here where your ladder is. And again, or I shouldn't say again, king bed. Heck yeah. Driving this thing is going to be a breeze. I personally love driving Class A so much better. We have a ton of visibility. Sitting up taller, we can see way far out, and just the wheelbase gives me a better stability, so I have a little bit more comfort driving this thing. And last but not least, the ergonomics, the leg room, the armrest, everything is just so much better in my mind. But don't take my word for it. Come out to Beckley's and make sure you drive it, and you'll see. And I hope you guys, everybody loved this video. Give us a thumbs up. Ask some questions below. Love to get some answers and certainly hear some of your impressions. And everybody, show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.